Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this Blessing Friday, 29 October 2029, we are distributing 100 food packs to orphans and widows family. In celebrating the coming of holy month of Rabiul Awal, we are distributing 100 of food packs. And as information, we also have distributed 1,000 of cooked meal in Jogja and Aceh. In this time, we are sharing the blessing to the people in Roloh village. I share information. Most of the people here work as a farmer, daily laborer, and also construction worker. And now I'm going to show you the items that we are distributing today. We have 2 kilograms of sugar, 2 liters of cooking oil, 1 can of 500 grams of salt, 1 bottle of sauce, 2 packs of noodles, 1 pack of biscuit, 2 kilograms of flour, 10 kilograms of rice, and also a pack of eggs. Thank you for all of your donations. May all the donors be rewarded Jannah by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. I am Aisyarah, reported from Roloh Aceh Besar. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.